system says all the 100 people are healthy. Here, anyway, 90 people are healthy. So system identified 90 is correct. Only 10 is wrong. Actually, the percentage was 90% system was correct. But my system was totally wrong because totally 100 people, it says 100 people are healthy, but the accuracy is a metric which says 90% my system is correct. So if the data set was unbalanced, in that case, accuracy is not a best measure. If the data set was unbalanced, in that case, accuracy is not a best measure. So here, we can go for another metrics. The metrics are named as precision. True positive divided by true positive divided by false positive. So here, I will use, it says precision is 0.8, recall is 0.75, and F1 score, it's used the formula, it can find 0.7. So it says, actually, the original example, it says 80% accuracy, but it's only 0.79, because the data set was not balanced, 40-60. So this is the example. So I will summarize entire thing. I will complete in 5 minutes. I will summarize the entire things. Initially, I will start from what is machine learning. So machine learning without explicit program, based on system, the system can automatically train and provide a result. That's for machine learning. So the theme of machine learning was extract knowledge from data. The major theme of machine learning was extract knowledge from data. So in this machine learning, which applied for all those applications, even for medical diagnosis, weather forecasting, temperature forecasting, etc., etc. It can apply for e-commerce and maintaining for customer retention, for finding any disease, etc., etc. It can apply for all those domains. So machine learning as well as deep learning, which plays a vital role for all future prediction, something for share market too. Then we are entering into Python. Python is an open source language which having a rich text library. So it's supported for ML and DL for excellent way. So with the help of that Python, initially you can implement a linear regression algorithm. So we are using a Colab. Here we have uploaded a data set into a Google Drive, and then using Colab, you can execute ML algorithm. Initially starts from linear regression, then multiple linear regression, then we will entering into logistic regression, then we will entering into decision tree for regression as well as classification. Then at the end, we will entering into random forest for regression and classification. Then we will go to the excellent metrics with a real world example. The metrics are precision, recall, and F1 score. So accuracy is the best measure if the data set is balanced. If your data set was unbalanced, in that case, precision, recall, and F1 score is the best measure. This is for workshop on ML using Python. So in addition to that, so I won't bore you. So the entire remaining things are available in my website. So whatever needed, you can learn from this website. This is my YouTube channel. If needed, you can watch videos from ML as well as deep learning too. If you have any queries, you can ping at any time. I think my mobile number and mail ID, everything available in that website too.